Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about the order of operations. Now, I see that frown, but don't be afraid because this is just a simple set of rules to determine which mathematical operation should be used first. So let's go ahead and talk about these four different mathematical operations. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. See, I can see it. You know those already. So let's not worry and let's continue, and I'm going to teach you how to do this in a way that you can remember. So we're going to be using what's called an acronym. So we're going to be using GEMS. So the first thing we have to remember is grouping. The next one is exponents. The next order in order to solve an order of operations is multiplication and division, whichever comes first from left to right, and subtract and add, whichever comes first left to right. So here we go. I have a problem. I see your face there. Don't worry about it. I've got it. We've got this together. I'm going to go ahead and do this. This is going to be an I do. And later on, after I model, you'll be able to practice. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this equation. 5 times 8 divided by 5 multiplied by 2, subtract 1, and add 3. I know it looks pretty tough, but if we use this acronym of GEMS, we can do it because we're going to do our grouping first, our exponent second, our multiplication or divide, and then followed by addition or subtraction. All right, see, now that I've made it, I've said that, I feel like you're feeling a little bit better. So let's take a look. I'm rewriting this problem again, as you can see. First thing I'm going to remember is GEMS. I'm going to go ahead and whatever I see that is grouped, I'm going to do first. 5 times 8 is 40. I'm going to rewrite the problem. 40 divided by 5 multiplied by 2, subtract 1 plus 3. All right, we've got that down. Let's go ahead on. Yep, you're going to be able to practice this a little bit later, so let me just continue to model, Jane. All right, here we go. We didn't have any exponents. So as I look at the acronym GEMS, I'm going to go ahead to multiply and divide, whichever comes first from left to right. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this. I can see that the next, what I see division, I see multiplication, subtraction, and addition. I'm going to go ahead left to right. I am going to head and divide. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. I'm going to continue to rewrite the problem. Multiplied by 2, subtract 1, add 3. Let's go ahead and go on. I have my problem. I'm still on the M. I'm going to multiply and divide, whichever comes first, left to right. I see you're getting it. I know this problem looks a little bit easier now. 8 times 2, we're going to do this next because we have that multiplication. 8 times 2 is 16. I'm going to rewrite the problem, subtract 1, add 3. Good, we're doing great. I know you can do it. Okay, here we go. You see this, we're down to a problem that doesn't look very hard. We have 16 minus 1 plus 3. I'm going to look at my GEMS. I'm on the S. I'm going to, this is add and subtract, but whichever one comes first, left to right. So I have 16 minus 1 is 15 plus 3. And I'm going to finish up that problem. 15 plus 3 equals 18. Awesome, you've got it. I'm just going to go ahead. I love when you are figuring out your problem. I really like this funnel approach. We're going to funnel it down. So I'm going to rewrite this entire problem exactly how I just solved it. This is how I would like to see you solve this equation. So I've gone from a model, I do, and now we're going to go ahead and do this together. All right, class. You can do it.